That concludes the NBC affiliate advertising and promotion feed.
When I wake up in the morning and the alarm gives out a warning, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my books and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. If the teacher pops a test, I know I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding low in my chair, she won't know that I'm there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the. It's alright, 'cause I'm saved by the bell.
Surf dudes with attitudes,
Kinda groovy.
laid back moves, sky above, sand below,
Good vibrations.
feeling mellow.
Won't give it up. Don't wanna stop. Don't wake me up. Don't wake me up if I'm dreaming. California dream. Just let me lay here in the sun until my dream is done.
Check this out.
The killer crossover.
4. What's up, what's up, what's up? You like my hat? 3.
Jordan on the drive.
Jam.
Did someone say jam session?
Here comes Sir Charles.
2, 1, lift off.
Hold on, folks. Buckle up.